on
Action.
Start your lambda. How many actions do we have here?
يعني two بس different
So,
words.
am I missing here a semicolon?
No.
You're sure?
Yes.
Syntax error. No?
No.
No.
ما في لا ما في we
No, you tell me.
لا لأنه في two different actions.
لا ما في syntax error.
two different actions.
ليه يكون output أصلا هون؟
Because they're two different.
That's one action, right?
that's
One
one.
action only. We said in that case, semicolon are not added, and the braces are optional in that case, right? If you decide to put braces, you have to terminate with semicolon. Okay, so
يعني syntax
works.
لا ما في syntax.
So same exact output.
صح لأنه أول شيء في
أنا
اثنين
صح
actions.
الأوتبوت طالع خلاص شو العذاب.
Current radius plus 5,
أحيانا
this is
بيكون في
enlarge.
error.
Current radius minus 5, this is the shrink one.
كنا حتى نقرأ.
Okay. Inner classes, so that's the concept we explained theoretically. Now let's see. So we did also touch base on it if you remember last time. So we said there is a clear privilege of inner classes, remember? So I have these, let's assume this is a superclass and this is a subclass. And let's assume here I'm having a private element, X. Can this one access this?
لا
Let's assume there is inheritance, so this one extends A.
لا
No, it can't.
You're sure?
Yes.
But this is a child.
حتى
Still
لو
not.
This doesn't count because this is private, and a private means
بس
only
within the
accessible
class.
by same class. Perfect. So this will not work. How about this one? I have one class, and inside it another
هون
class. I call it inner.
إيه.
And I do have here private X. Now this one is
Accessible.
accessible. So this one here is considered a member of the same class. So it's accessible from the same class. So accessible by B as well. Let's assume I'm having here int Z. How to access Z?
B dot
We use
A
Class
dot
B dot int Z.
A dot
Z.
A dot.
B dot Z.
اوكي يعني لا جيتر ولا ستر ولا شيء دور
ولا getters ولا setters ولا شيء.
اوكي
Okay.
A dot.
Good.
Yes.
So again, the nice part here is full accessibility. You get access to private members even without worrying about it. Okay. We'll need it in delegation mode. I'll show you now one way of doing delegation using inner classes. Okay? And oh, by the way, it's not a very common concept in coding. You might not have heard about it in other courses or languages, but it's very useful with these sort of tricks. So this is which model?
لا مو
No,
لا
it's anonymous.
Anonymous.
It is a
anonymous عن جد
لأنه ما
Delegation.
مو anonymous ليكوا عاملين object
Yeah, it implements.
So this class extends application taking care of design, but also inside it I have an inner class that takes care of event handler, right? So this one implements event handler, which
Yeah.
makes it
delegation.
delegation model. Why not anonymous? Do we implement the interface? Yeah, we do. Right? So implementing the interface indicates
Delegation.
delegation model. If this was new event handler, then this is anonymous, right? But here I'm using it fully implemented. Like هنا في trick, okay? I did not explain it before. I don't think you need it much. I'll just explain it. You don't need to worry about it for later. Have you ever seen this?
No.
So this is pane type. We call it circle pane. So circle pane, by default, it comes with a circle. Okay? And you may ask why if we can simply build a circle inside a pane, right? So here, it will take you some steps. You will have to create the pane,
Radius.
then create the circle,
من
then
out.
create possibly enlarge method, then possibly shrink method, right?
وست
You
radius.
yourself, you will have to create them yourself. Here, it places it for you, and it has already two built-in methods. One called enlarge, and the other called shrink, which takes care of the entire update of the circle radius by default with a single difference of 1 as a value. Okay? Again, you don't need it, but for the sake of shortening our code, we'll use it. So here I'm having, that's my interface. So the first part here, I'm using circle pane. And this whole part is a pointer pane. So the parent here is pointer pane. Okay? I'm placing the circle pane in the center. And in the bottom, I'm placing
H-box.
an H box. This H box holds my own
button.
button.
Enlarge.
Okay?
Mm.
Make sense? Design wise, again. Like, let's jump here. How do I initiate the call to that part? We have same steps. Do you see that? We used to do it in 2 separate steps, right? I'm doing it here in 1 step. So this acts like control circle, X equal new. Sorry, this is my handler. Yeah, see this? So I can still do it this way. I can say my handler X equal new my handler, right?
Yes.
Then I use this X and I pass it here, right? So enlarge dot set on action X. It's the same, no change, okay? Then this one here jumps to the action event, executing the handle method, making an explicit call to the enlarge method that's already built in inside
Circle.
Circle pane.
pane, which will make a difference of 1 every time, so it's making it bigger by ratio 1. See this? See that? Do you see the difference? Very small, right? Okay?
Yeah.
I'll stop it here today. We got any questions? All good?
Yes.
Yes, yes. I'll do this. So on Moodle, I think you have all the previous,
That هاي. لا it makes sense.
just this one I will upload.
Shots today.
أنا قدام من هلا يا جماعة. هذيك المرة لازم قبل هذا